morning friends. Now we will solve the example regarding odd and even. So here the question must be like this. Find even and odd components. Find even and odd components of each of the following signal. The first one is x of t is equal to 1 plus t plus 3t square plus 5t plus 94. So now we know that the even signal, the even components of the signal is nothing but denoted as e of t. The even component of the signal is denoted as x e of t. So x e of t is nothing but half summation of x of t and x of minus t. Means it is nothing but plus of these both those things. After that 1 upon 2. So we know that it is given already. X of t is given. Now we have to find out t. Replace t by minus t. So the equation is x t. I am written again 1 plus t plus 3t square plus 5t cube plus 94. If I will replace this t as minus t, then that is 1 plus t plus 3 minus t square plus 5 minus t cube plus 9 minus t4. Remember one thing, if minus x is there, if it is even power, then it is plus. If it is odd power, then it is minus. Remember one thing. So minus will be plus if it is even. Minus will be minus if it is odd. According to that, I am applying this concept here. 1 minus t square, so that is plus 3t cube, that is minus 5t cube. Okay, then this is even number, the plus 94. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Put x of t and x of minus t value here. So x of even term is equal to half x of t is equal to 1 plus t plus 3t square plus 5t cube plus 94 plus x of minus t is this one. Put here 1 minus t plus 3t square minus 5t cube plus 94. In place of x of t, I am putting the value of x of t. In place of minus x minus t, I am putting this one. Okay, right now plus t minus t cancel out. Plus 5t cube minus 5t, that is nothing but half 1 plus 1 2. Otherwise I can write 1 2 times, so 2 multiplied with 1 plus 3t square 2 multiplied with 3t square 90 square 34 plus 94. So 2 multiplied with 94. So from this I will common 2. Half multiplied with 2. 1 plus 3t square plus 94. 2 cancel out. 1 plus 3t square plus 94. That is nothing but even term or even part of the equation. Okay, same thing to find out odd part. I will subtract x o of t is equal to half x of t minus x of minus t. So now I am putting the value of x of t and x of minus t. That is half x of t is 1 plus t plus 3t square plus 5t cube plus 94 minus 1 plus t minus 3t square plus 5t cube minus 9t4. So 9 cancel, 3 and 1 cancel. Then remaining term is 2 times t plus 2 times 5t cube. Okay, so common 2. So that is nothing but t plus 5t cube. So 2 cancel out. The answer is 5t cube. That is nothing but x of odd term. This portion is nothing but x of odd term is t plus 5t cube. So we will solve the next question. The next question is, the next example is find even and odd component of the following. X of t is equal to 1 plus t cube cos cube 10t. To find out this, we know that cos cube of theta, its formula is equal to 3 upon 4 cos theta plus 1 upon 4 cos 3 theta. Now we have to put here theta is equal to 10t. So cos cube 10t is equal to 3 upon 4 cos 10t plus 1 upon 4 cos 3 10t. Means this is nothing but 3 upon 4 cos 10t plus 1 upon 4 cos 30t. Now to find out even and odd portion, we need x of minus t. So x of minus t means, to find out this, replace t by minus t. So x of minus t we have to find out. Before that, put this value here. So x of t is equal to 1 plus t cube cos cube 10t. So now 1 plus t cube cos cube 10t means 3 upon 4 cos 10t plus 1 upon 4 cos 30t. If I will multiply the 3 upon 4 cos 10t plus t 1 upon 4 t cube cos 30t. Same thing right now. Otherwise you can multiply like this. 1 multiply this thing, 3 upon 4 cos 10t plus 3 upon 4 1 upon 4 cos tt plus 3 upon 4 t cube cos 10t plus t cube upon 4 cos 30t. Here now we have to find out x of minus t. To find out, we will replace t by minus t. To replace x of minus t is equal to 3 upon 4 cos 10t plus 1 upon 4 cos 30t minus 3 upon 4 t cube cos 10t minus 1 upon 4 t cube cos 30. This is nothing but x of minus t. To find out the even terms, the formula must be half x of t plus x of minus t. So it is nothing but half. I will write this whole line and this thing. So cos 10t plus 1 upon 4 cos 30t plus 3 upon 4 t cube cos 10t plus 1 upon 4 t cube cos 30t. Okay, next plus right now x of minus, that is 3 upon 4 cos 10t plus 1 upon 4 cos 30t minus 3 upon 4 t cube cos 10t minus 1 upon 4 t cube cos 30. Close the bracket. Now this term is plus here and this term is minus, so cancel it. Plus and minus cancel it. 3 upon 4 cos 10t, 3 upon 4 cos 10t means it will repeat twice. 1 upon 4 cos 32, 1 upon 4 cos 30t. So it will also repeat twice. So 2 and 2 times it will cancel, or you can write like this: 2 multiply with 3 upon 4 cos 10t plus 1 upon 4 cos 30t. So that 2 cancel, the answer must be 3 upon 4 cos 10t plus 1 upon 4 cos 30t. This is nothing but the even term. To find out the odd terms, x of O t is equal to half x of t minus x of minus 2. So here x of minus t is minus. This plus term will be minus and minus term will be plus. I will write according to that. So half 3 upon 4 cos 10t plus half cos 30t plus 3 upon 4 t cube cos 10t plus t cube upon 4 cos 30t. Right now, first term must be minus and minus. Minus 3 upon 4 cos 10t minus 1 upon 4 cos 30t plus 3 upon 4 t cube cos 10t plus t upon cube 4 cos 30. Close the bracket. Now this term is plus and this is minus. Cancel. This is plus and this is minus. Cancel. Right now, both the terms will repeat. Yes or no? So we can write half multiply with 2 times 3 upon 4 t cube cos 10t plus your t cube upon 4 cos 30. So 2 and 2 is cancelled out. So the answer must be this one. This is nothing but the odd terms. Like that, you practice more experiments.